Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Bedwars scripts. First, it's important to understand that these scripts are external programs designed to automate certain actions within the game, like collecting resources or improving combat. While they can offer a competitive edge, using them often goes against the game's terms of service. We'll cover the basics of what they are, how they function, and the potential implications of their use. Let's dive in and explore this topic together. Finding a script involves searching online communities and specialized websites. It's vital to exercise extreme caution, as many sources may contain malicious software. Always look for scripts with a high number of positive reviews and active community discussions. Before downloading, consider the source's reputation and ensure the script's purpose aligns with your expectations. Remember, a legitimate script should not ask for your personal login details. Now, it's time to complete the online application. Fill out the transfer application form with precision, ensuring all personal and academic details are correct. Carefully upload all your supporting documents, including official transcripts and course descriptions, directly to the portal. Be prepared to pay any necessary application fees, which typically range from $15 to $25 per transcript, to finalize your submission. Roblox Bedwars scripts often offer features like automatic resource collection, improved aiming, or enhanced movement speed. While these can seem appealing, the risks are substantial. Using scripts violates Roblox's terms of service, which can result in a permanent ban of your account. Furthermore, poorly coded or malicious scripts can introduce viruses, compromise your personal data, or even damage your computer system. Always weigh the potential benefits against these serious consequences.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.